Hello everyone, and in today's video let's take a look at Spivo 360, which is a short selfie stick with a mechanical swivel at the top. So this is how Spivo 360 looks like. As you see, the selfie stick is not that really long, but its key selling point is that mechanical rotating swivel at the very top. So this product has been on the market for a while now, but nevertheless I still wanted to try it out myself and review it. Spivo was so kind to send this product for free to me for a review. However, I'll try to do my best to give you an honest opinion about it. So what's cool about this mechanical swivel is that whenever you're using your GoPro, you're recording yourself, or perhaps you're taking a photo, you can quickly, in just a matter of seconds, change the entire orientation of your camera and record what's in front of you. And at the same time, you still have that extra bit of extension to get a little bit closer to the subject that you're recording. So if you want to twist your camera in 180 degrees, you have to press on the trigger button and the handle. And what's cool about twisting that camera in 180 degrees is that it allows you to be a little bit creative with your transitions when it comes to transition from one scene to another, as long as you make a proper cut. Let me show you a couple of examples. So you probably wonder if you can hear to that twisting sound while recording with your GoPro. So let's hear some samples. So yeah, whenever you twist that camera, there's quite a lot of noise coming from the twisting mechanism, so I don't necessarily think that's gonna be good for vlogging unless you simply don't care, edit it out, maybe cut it, or add some music. Thanks to that universal GoPro mount, this selfie stick is going to be compatible with all GoPro cameras. So it doesn't matter if you have a GoPro 10, Hero 9 or Hero 8, etc. But apart from that, it's also going to be compatible with any other action cameras. Now, at the bottom of this selfie stick, we have a safety leash. So if you are going to do some crazy activity, it's always best to wrap it around your wrist. This way, you're not going to lose your camera or damage it. Also, this selfie stick is not going to float in the water when you drop it, so it's gonna sink. So as I said, it's always best to have it. Now, let's compare its length to some other selfie sticks from GoPro. This selfie stick comes in only one length, so that's gonna be around 20 inches long. I believe that's gonna be like 50 centimeters. And on top of that, as you see, it's not collapsible. The whole construction is made out of plastic. So if you're going to travel around with it, it can take up some space in your camera bag or not even fit in it. Spivo 360 also comes with a travel-friendly bag with adjustable straps so you can carry it around your shoulder, and this way it's a little bit more travel-friendly to carry around. Now, I cannot accurately show you with exact precision how much it weighs, but according to the manufacturer, this selfie stick weighs around 160 grams. It also comes with some special instructions, so if you want to know more about how to properly mount your camera to it, you can find it in here. Now, one thing that I did notice that they could improve on in their next generation is that instead of having that big trigger button somewhere on the top, so it's constantly always getting in the shot, they could put it maybe somewhere underneath. I think it's also worth to mention that when we try to record our videos for social media in a vertical orientation, the end result was upside down, so I don't think that this is gonna be a good stick for recording in vertical. Alright guys, so this is what Spivo 360 has to offer. So what do you think about it? Let me know about it in the comment section below, and for today guys, that's it. If you like that content and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, then as always guys, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!